Hi guys, I'm back. Once again, this is your teacher SP and welcome to our math class. In today's video, we will be discussing the second topic of our quarter 2, week 1 in your activity 1, simplifying ratio. A friendly reminder, if you have not yet watched the video of this topic, you better watch out it first before you proceed in answering the activity sheets. For your activity 1, express each of the following ratios in simplest form. For example, 6:36. First, let us find the greatest common factor of both terms. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6, and the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12. So the greatest common factor of both terms is 6. Then, divide the given ratio to the greatest common factor, which is 6. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Therefore, the simplest form of 6:36 is 1:6. This is the end of your instruction for your activity 1. If you got 4 and 5, you did a great job. Congratulations! But if you got less than 2, watch again the video to understand the topic. I know you can do it. Practice makes perfect. I hope you enjoy learning with me. Until next time, good luck!